Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, it's Vince Susie. So we are going to stay here in Macau. Hotel name is Broadway Macau. So syempre, liligo tayo sa mga places and destinations na pwede nating puntahan at kainan. Nagkalat kami ng isang araw just to visit Hong Kong. So sasakay na lang kami ng ferry boat or the Cotai Jet going to Hong Kong just to visit the Disneyland for the kids. So if you want to know more about what's gonna happen next on this video, then keep on watching. Hi guys! Once again, let's have our quick room tour. Our room is 1015 and again, we are staying here at Broadway, Macau. So come on, let's go inside. We have our powder room. Pwede ka mag-ayos, magbawas and everything. And sa other side, we have our coffee area. Down below is our mini refrigerator na may mga consumable drinks tayo dito. Sodas, of course yung bottled water, pa-free na lang din yun. We have our mini living area wherein meron tayong malaking TV, meron tayong center table, and at the same time, pag nahiga ka dito, ano for maupo, sobrang spacious. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view, may curtain for privacy, may dalawa tayo side lamp here, and punta naman tayo sa kabilang side. So meron tayo ditong maliit na hallway, tapos we have our bathroom, our cabinet, of course, vault dito, may light, may pachinelas, paper bag, kompleto. Thank you, Broadway, Macau. Full body na mirror, and then we also have our another television with, of course, parang office table na rin to, with office chair, may lamp, may privacy curtain, tapos our masters na higaan. Meron tayong dalawang bedside table with lamp, meron tayong accent lamp doon. Ang ganda ng view actually. Makikita mo na dito agad yung Galaxy Macau na pupuntahan natin yon one of these days. Katabi ng higaan is yung main comfort room. Maganda dito, lavatory, malinis. Meron tayong bathtub. Wow, it's nice. Have our shower area. So, sobrang sulit niya actually. Yung ganitong room, sobrang sulit kasi spacious, maganda, malinis. Check nyo rin kung gusto nyo mag-try dito sa Broadway, Macau.
The next day,
so they have bread, croissant, vegetables, chicory, frizzy, lettuce, and everything. May mga cherry tomato, egg, banana, and cereals. Yan lang actually yung semi-buffet, and then pinipili na lang dun sa paper na nakalagay sa table kung may gusto pa kayong additional order na sagot din naman sa buffet nila. Napakadaming tao dito ngayon. Holy Monday sa Philippines. Nasa likod ko yung ruins of St. Paul.
This one is very delicious, and of course, Fresh baked talaga siya.
72.
Come to Macau!
A few moments later.
Hi guys, time check. It's already 4:35 in the afternoon and we are currently here at Donkey. Ayan, so namili na kami nito, mga bento. Ayan, tapos sa ilalim mga chocolate and then mga desserts para ito na rin yung kakainin namin mamayang dinner para hindi kami mahirapan kung saan kami kakain na naman na restaurant.
The next day,
maybe the next one will have some place for them. Okay, guys, we're going to the. Oh no! We're gonna show the water god is saving us, so let's get over here. Oh, look here. So let me see. Is anyone?
Okay, first rule of being.
the next day,